Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I've got a box here. I've got a package. Let me tell you about it. So it came in this box, had a whole bunch of paper in there to protect it, and my diamond painting is inside here. Let me tell you about this diamond painting. Whoa, it's got a nice box. Okay, so this is from a company that kind of popped up on Instagram. I saw it on Instagram. Somebody had shown a picture of it saying this company was coming. They'd found it on Instagram. So I went looking. Okay, so the company, it's right on the box. Oraloa diamond painting. All right. They're in like France, I believe, or someplace like that. But apparently they have some factories in different places. They have one, I believe, that's in Canada. My painting came from Canada. So there's a factory that's housing them here, and it's called Island of the Arts. There's their website, their information, right? Some information on the box. Look, there's a picture of my painting on the box right there. There's a picture of my painting on the end of the box right here. Oraloa Studio. It's called, oh, that's who created it. They have licensed art. A licensed artist. So everybody was all excited because they're having Hannah Lynn, and there's some Hannah Lynn's coming out at this company. Okay, they're not out yet. I think you can pre-order them right now, and they're coming out like early fall. Now, here's my first thought. Some of the paintings seem a little pricey. Okay, they seemed a little expensive. They've been adding more stuff, I believe, from the first time I went and looked. Yesterday I looked, and there was a couple of paintings that were like $107. And I was like, ooh, it's a little bit much. Now, I know that Bev B had a code, and I used her code. That's who I saw it from first. So I saved $4.80. I got a painting that was not quite as expensive. This one was $48. And I got it in less than 3 weeks. I thought it was going to be a little while, but it was less than 3 weeks, and it was here. So, go look. I didn't want to get something that was like one of the pricier ones until I checked it out. I think the paintings I saw that were $107 are like a 90 by 70 type picture. So, I mean, I still feel it's a little pricey. But this one being $48, I thought, okay, I can do $48. We'll roll with $48. Apparently I get a bunch of parchment type paper pieces and other stuff. Okay, is my box empty? All right, my box is empty. It came well packaged. I like that. Okay, so apparently this is like parchment to cover your painting with, is my guess. There's a whole bunch of it, whole bunch of pieces. So if you want to cover your painting with parchment paper, here you go. You got a bunch of it. Looks like enough to probably cover the whole thing. All right, so there's that. Okay, let's set that aside. Here is our information. Okay, so what does this say? Well, this side is clearly in French. It's got to be France. It's got to be, okay. Talks about the diamond painting chart, special adhesive, pre-printed, the protective film, find your symbol. This is directions. This is directions how to diamond paint. Okay. And what you do when you're finished. Okay. That's what that is. Here is our information sheet, which is a sticker. You can tell it's a sticker, this yellow back makes it a sticker, right? It will peel, I'm sure. It's a sticker, trust me. Even though I can't, there it goes. Sticker, right? Sticker, see, sticker. With your labels you can put on your containers or whatnot, DMC codes, all of the symbols, all of the codes, all the numbers, and we're still going all the way up to 50. Oh, and we have ABs. Look at that. We have 2 AB at the bottom. Focus so people can see. 2 ABs at the bottom, 742 and 3756. I just had 3756 in a painting I unboxed. There's the information again. This one is a 70 by 54. So it's a good size, which I liked, and it's $48. And my thought is it was $48 because it was created by Oraloa Studio, not an artist. I think the artist paintings, you're paying more for because they have to pay the artists. But look at the picture. Isn't it pretty? It's just a cabin in the woods with some falls coming down to the water. It was very pretty. And I thought, okay, for $48, I'll try this one. And I got 10% off. I got $4.80 off. And I think the shipping was free, I believe. Yeah. All right. So it comes in your nice plastic protective sleeve. It's quite heavy. It's a good size, so it's going to have some drills to it here, right? Okay, well, let's check it out. My first unboxing of an Oraloa. So now that I'm thinking about it, oh, look it. We have, oh, wow. This is a super soft felt back. It's really a soft felt. Wow, I like that. That's nice. Serged edges, scalloped, yes. Wow, that's really nice. All right, look how flat it's laying just by me unrolling it. I don't even need to roll it backwards. Look at that. It's just laying flat. I mean, it's got a little curl on the edges. Look at the drills. Oh my gosh, pre-bag drills. Oh. So yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, you're probably paying the higher prices for the kits that are licensed through an artist versus the Oraloa Studio that they're creating. All right, toolkit looks pretty good. I'll open it up since I've never seen it before. I can tell through the bag, but a MOSFA boat. Doesn't say MOSFA though, but it's a MOSFA type boat. You get a clear pen. You got a 3-placer on this end, single placer on that pen. It's sparkly, of course. You'll get a squishy grip for that pen. Here is another placer. All right, 7 probably. Pointy tweezers. Pointy tweezers. Look at, interesting. This side is silver. This side is black. I don't know. But you got pointy tweezers. And then you get a pot of wax, which is blue wax. Blue wax is pretty good if you ever used it. Does it have plastic on it? Yep. Take your plastic off. Don't try to poke through that. Oh, it's got 2 pieces. Look. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. So that's your toolkit. Pretty nice little toolkit for a basic toolkit, right? Yeah. A little upgraded. Some tweezers and potted wax. And there you go. Okay. Well, they're doing a great job. I mean, I'll give them that. Everything. Wow. This is so nice. It's like a silky felt. It's cool. I like it. All right. You ready to see it? Let's see it. Let's flip her over and see what we get on the front. All right. So over here, we have a legend on the left-hand side. There's our legend. They call it a table. Here's their little logo symbol. Do you see that fly? Do you see how big he is? You know he's going to come back and be in this video, right? Oraloa Studio, 70 by 54. That's the inches. 27.5 by 21.2 is the inches. Oraloa at the top. Here's another legend. The plastic comes way over the edge, but that's okay. Picture up here. Okay, it's called Amazing Place. I mean, because it's amazing, right? It is amazing. Now, let's look at it. Let's look at it. What do we think? Well, I think it's going to be filled with confetti, for one thing, right? It's going to be filled with confetti. We got a dock, the boat. You can see the waterfalls coming up, down from the mountains up there. Sitting out in the woods. Yeah, you know. Okay, so if I look at the picture again of the art, it's not intended to be a crisp, clear picture. Now, if you look at this, you will see that it's kind of real watercolory look type of a painting, you know. It's got a watercolor look to it. So things are a little more blurred lines and things like that. But that is the artwork. That's the way it's intended to be. And when you look at the painting, I think that comes through here. It's not sharp and crisp. It's kind of got some little blurred lines. I don't want to say fuzziness to it, but, you know, kind of just, you know, that watercolor feel. So does it look on the painting like the artwork looked? Yeah, pretty much. So we're going to have a lot of confetti down in here. Let's look at symbols. Let's look at the drill field and look at symbols. Oh, they got some interesting symbols. Look at the symbols there. Ooh, we got different ones. We got some white lettering. We got some black lettering. They don't have guide circles. They're just on a color. This is a round. I don't know if they have square. I think they do, and I don't remember if you got a choice or not. But yeah, lots of confetti down here on the ground. Let's see. What do we think about over here? Everything shows up really, really well, doesn't it? Nothing's hard to read or decipher. Interesting symbols. I'll give them that. These two are really, really close. Like, look at, we got this one here and that, which kind of looks like a 2. I think that's a 2, and anyhow. But you can tell everything apart. There's no problem with that. All right, well, looks pretty good. Let's look at the drills. They came in a great big long bag. I mean, look at this bag. Woo, big long bag. And they're pre-bagged. So let's look at them. See what we got. Give me a moment, please, while I undo the 12-inch bag. It's got to be at least 12 inches. Okay. I do like me some pre-bagged drills. They're a nice bag. They're a nice bag. Look, they're in order. Number 1 is 150. Number 2 is 154. Number 3 is 156. So they're all in order, and they have the DMC codes on the bags. All right. So far, I like that handful of colors right there. Those are very pretty. So everything's in order. Just sit over there. You know me, I don't care. I'll take them out. I'll mess them all up. It don't matter to me. 9, 10, 14. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hello, 14. Get back in your spot. Some greens. Very pretty colors. I mean, you can see the colors. We're going to have all kinds of oranges, purples, pinks, greens, peaches. 20 and 21 are beautiful. Red, blues. Nice, right? Nice. Just keep going over there. They'll be easy to put back in that way. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What do we got here? We got a sticker that's unstuck from its bag, and it's got pink drills on it. You picked up some pink drills along the way. Green, brown, rusty colors. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right. I think the ABs are at the very end. Well, they're at the end of the list. They're 49 and 50, so we'll get to those. Pink, more blues, beautiful yellows. Look at, we got a light, a medium, and a dark yellow there. Nice. Well, it's 3820, 3822, and 3823. They all go bing, 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 right? Bing, bing, bing. All right, we're getting there. We're getting to the end. Okay, put our bag over there. All right, some purples, blue, another yellowy orange color, a mulberry color, and then I think we've hit the ABs. All right, 2 ABs. This is the 3756, which has like a hue of mint to it, off-white mint color, and then a pretty, pretty orange, 742. 742, 3756 AB. All right, and those are DMC colors. All right, so let's see if we can find some on our canvas. The 3756 is a small F, which is coming through the water here. We got the F in the water, and then up here in the water a little bit. Let's see. A little bit here where we see water. And some here, a little bit here. Where you see this lighter, almost white color, we got AB. And then there's a little bit in here, just a little bit. All right, so that's about it, I think, for the F. A little bit here. Like I said, any place you see this white, like there's a couple that peek through here where it's white. See, just a couple up here. There's a little bit of white there, so a couple peek through. So you see the white, and that's going to be the AB, okay? The orange is, oh my goodness, the orange is a T, a lowercase t. It looks like the F, but it's orange. All right, so where do we see the lowercase t's? I'm looking through here. Yeah, there's a few in here. A few here where the orange is. A few on the house. There's some in the house. Oh, there's quite a few in the house. Where else? Okay, up here in this tree. See the T's poking through. Just little dabs, little dab here and there. What about over this way? Same thing with this tree. Just a little bit here and there. Couple here, couple there. All right. Little spots. Anything else up high? Let's see. Yeah, a couple here in this cloud. There's a couple in the cloud. What about over on this side? Yep, some more in the clouds here. They're just kind of peppered. No big, huge patches, just little peppers of the T's. And some up here. Just spots. That's cool. Okay. Well, what do you think, you guys? I'm going to link them below. You can go check them out. They have some beautiful artwork. They really, really do. They have some artists that they've licensed that are just doing beautiful things. There was one I really, really liked. She does like these girls, and I'm not normally like a girl kind of painter, diamond painter, but they were pretty cute, pretty kind of, you know what I mean? But yeah, I think they were, I don't know, like, I want to say $60, $70. But you go check them out and you see what you think, okay? This is my honest opinion. They're a little expensive. I understand they're coming from France, or the company's in France. I'm sure they're still being made in China. I don't think they're making the diamond paintings themselves, but licensed art, you know? Go check them out and see what you think. Let me know. All right. So that's what I got. Not bad for, you know, $42 or something like that. $44. So there you go. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I think I covered everything pretty well. I'm going to put my drills back in my bag, put it in the box, and move on to the next video. So thank you for watching, everybody. And thanks for all that you do, all of your support. I appreciate it so much. Hit the like button, subscribe if this is the first time you've been here. So, you'll know when I do new videos and you come back, see some more stuff. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. I'm going to go now. That noisy truck's going by. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.